So a customer brought me his phone asking for a screen and battery replacement, tako da hajde da počnemo. I've got all the parts and the tools as well, so let's bring this phone back to life. Let's heat this up first da bi se lakše skinulo. And now we can do the rest of the work. First, I'm disconnecting the old screen, and yeah, that went pretty fast. After that, it was time to replace the battery. I removed the old one and placed in a brand new unit. Then I moved on transferring some parts from the old phone, including the speaker, assembly and a home button. Everything is done, feels like a brand new phone again, even though it's locked. So the owner allowed me to do a quick speed test. It's been already 1 minute, so make sure to follow for more unique phone repairs.